Hey guys, it's me, Gone Squashing 357. We're back again with another video. We're gonna do the same thing like last time. We're going to do silent shots, every gun, just not the casket, the throwing knife, Insane 20. My default sensitivity mode is Insane 20, so I don't have to change it. Let's show them how to play. You can shut up. No, I swear, I'm gonna do this again. This is gonna be for YouTube! You freaking, no, Ethan, you cheater, you freaking just double teamed me. You what? Yeah. It's glitching out. Oh my god. Cause I'm good. Behind you, just no. No, I can't. People listening to my video. Well, I'm not doing what you're gonna say. You're probably retarded. I'm glitching because Ethan's right here. Wait a minute. What? Guys, you saw that? The stupid rain. The dumb rain messed us up. Oh guys, where I am, it's really raining bad outside. Not bad, but I'll show you guys. I have a sister, that Hello Kitty's not mine. I lagged, the rain lagged out. I'm showing all my subscribers about the rain. I don't give up. Man, this isn't fair. Because of the stupid rain, now I'm gonna go back to the very first gun. I'm never gonna win now. I know, because you can't do a 360 right. If you're reloading, I need to get back on the gun I was on. Where do you think go? Yeah, but what? Nice. No. You're on 14, Death Kid? Wrestling Ground on 5? Thank you. The Ripper. Hey, cheater. Cheater. Oh, you cheated. I know it's impossible. Oh, I hate you. Now you're on the double pistol, dang it. And you died to a silent shot. I was kidding. Can I get off this gun? Thank you for letting me get off this gun. Yeah. I don't want cheater. Huh? Give me 20 reasons why I'm a cheater. And they cannot be the same thing. Quick scope. Quick scope, silent shot. Shut up. Oh, I thought you were him. Oh, I know where he is. Death Kid, turn around. Trying to get a headshot. The rain again, guys. Wow. Let's see if they can find or they'll join us. Okay, that's better. I didn't where I am where I'm at, it's raining and it lagged me out. Oh God, shut up. What? 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 Wait, zombie. Go boom. 1738. No, I got it. Aww. Well, that's it for today's video. Sorry for what just happened. Bye. See you next time.